first red, then white, green, black. In this case plus, 5 volts plus, digital minus, digital plus, ground. Okay. Let's try like this. Okay. We're getting some results. Okay, so now we have, starting with negative, yeah, much faster now. And then the data positive. Then data negative. And positive, power positive, yeah, much better now. Hold it. That's it. Nothing. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna see if this actually works, but soldering looks decent. They're a bit burned here, I think, or it's just a solder paste. Okay, before I assemble it, I wanna give it a try. First I will plug it into the power bank and see if the protection starts. So no alarm from the power bank. And get some USB. And this isn't the right one. Should have light. See if the light starts. There is no light. So I did them wrong or what? In. Okay. Okay, so at least doesn't mean that the cable is not working, it's just this doesn't turn on. Okay, I have this adapter for the phone. Just plug it in, see what happens. So far, nothing, which is good. And the light turns on. The app started. So it's working. Okay. Okay, so now the final part. Clean it well. And I have these two. These ones. I know they are the same. Okay. Yeah, looks like I will have to remove this part. Get the pliers. Okay. Let's see if the cable can go through. Yep, it fits. So now I put the connector goes in like this. Cables go there. And I want to put a bit of hot melt. To make sure it's okay. I know it doesn't look pretty, but it's gonna work. This is all I care about. okay. I think it's not too bad. It could have been much worse. So it can become an OTG extension or just a USB, a regular USB extension. It doesn't look amazing, but it works. Let's see if it still works. Yep. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.